Hi, it's me, Sarah. I'm just checking in and updating you on how the pattern for the bandana is coming along. I've had a request to make a video of how I put it together. Here's the original one. Each skull doily is attached in the middle right here by chains and slip stitches. And then I did some outside things, and the sad part is I didn't write it down. So I'm gonna work that out over the next week and try to get that online for you. Where I'm at right now is I've made 6 doilies, and I'm going to connect them with black thread so you can see the contrasting color to see where the in-between lines are. And right now I am just finishing off my 6th one, and I've just got to do the little tiny edges around it. If you haven't seen this pattern already, it's already up, and it's the small skull doily. So you'll need 6 of these before you even get started attaching them together. So if you haven't worked on that yet, go ahead and make those, and then hopefully within the week I will have a full tutorial on how to finish the whole bandana, which is this one. It's hard to see the pattern under my hands, but there's the skull, and this is the yarn that I'm using today. I purchased this a while ago, and then I had to buy some more, and the colors aren't exact, but that's okay. It'll be hard to tell once it's all together. But all right, I will hopefully check back with you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.